Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper, May the 7th, on a Thursday. It's a Sudoku with 2 stars, and we have 4 Sudokus to go. With 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So let's continue. Let's get started. Alright. Let me see. A7 in this row, A7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. Oh, we have a 7 here. Sorry, mistake here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. This is incorrect. Remember that, otherwise I will make mistakes. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. So in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there, so it cannot be here. This box is incorrect. So in the last column, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Ooh. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 8? In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And then A2 in this row, A2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 2 over there. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing in this column, and the 6 is missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then yeah. 3 boxes missing in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be here. The other two numbers are the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, yes. Then these three numbers are the numbers 1, 3, and the 9. 1, 3, and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. Here 4. No 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 should be here or there in this column. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes. In the middle column, we have a 4 over there. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row, so in the row between the only 2 places for the 9, here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And then the 1, 2, 3. No, I need to wait. How about the number 4. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 4 over there, no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. And I remember one of those 2 boxes should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 and 5. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 5, and the 9. 1, 5, and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 5, and the 9. 1, 5, and the 9. No. 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. Yes, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the numbers 3 and 5. So the 3 and the 5 cannot be in those boxes. So the 3 and the 5 should be here as a pair. 3 and the 5, I mark them. That means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. One of the 3 missing numbers in this big square is the number 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers in the second row are the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers in the first row are the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only 1 place for the 2 should be here. The 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the column between. The only place for the 1 should be here. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the... No. These 2 numbers, yes. Now I can fill this. These 2 numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 numbers, 3 and 5. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 5, and 7. No, 7. We have the 8. Correction. The 1, 5, and the 8. I see here the 1 and the 5. So no 1 and the 5 in this box. 1 digit left. Should be the 8. Here, the other 2 numbers. The 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. How about these 2 numbers? Yeah, this is not correct. The 2 numbers of this big square, the 5 and the 9 are missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. This should be the 5. And this should be the 9. 1 number left in this row, the middle row, for the number 3, and another number for this big square should be the 9. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 3, and 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 is missing. 8 is missing here. Yes. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 6 and the 7 are missing. We have a 6 now, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, I'm pleased. You too? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a moment for the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Thank you, and bye bye for now.